Alright, so previously on the Daughters series.
So when you tell me say you get the money, brother, I can't deal with them something right now.
Better say it for happen and that they go to me quick turn up here.
And you pitney me did I call you about.
See me carry water from me. But me need to talk to you about your daughter.
You have trouble people dog on the road.
No, go so.
Shut up!
No, Tisha. For real now. Answer me for real. How you go?
Kayla, me not stay here, Kayla, because I have to come here good and 2 times for me come and me get lick already. Right? This is how many him words of account tell lie on me. And make me get lick 1 more time on that. Nah, stay here. Me nobody beat you with him.
Tisha, I know you not answer my question. No, I never ask you that. I ask you say where you go or where you go stay. You idiot. I know you don't have no money. You don't have no money for you to take care of yourself out on the road. I hope I don't know boyfriend you go to, you know. Because me call mommy and make sure come here with police and know what they have to do with you.
Alright, my apologies for the interruptions, but this is very important. So you guys are watching the video from here. To see the complete thing, you're going to come here. As a matter of fact, this is for you. I'll put a link in the pinned comment. The very first comment, so you're going to scroll down, and the very first comment that you see from Akeen Lawrence, that comment will have a link. You'll click on that link will take you to the complete video, and you make sure you subscribe when you're over there, because that is where I plan to upload, other videos. And you'll see other videos over there as well. Yeah. Can't cut out, we can always have it.
I remember when Billy was saying, remember the girl that say, she a borrow alone. It started already. 10 minutes already. Oh, a second. A 15, 16 seconds. 13 seconds.
You always get nervous anytime the camera starts.
Me not nervous. Like, seriously, me not nervous.
Why are you here? What we are doing here?
Ask you, like, you said, come out there, so. You know, ask you, me, I do here, so, like.
Big up on yourself, guys. Welcome back to the channel.
I come, me look. I'm not busy still. And I like this, you know, yeah. Wow, there's somehow we have to look bad looking now. Like we could not come good looking.
You have man? You have one man?
Yes, and in every day I'm pretty, but I'm not saying I lie, tell.
And that me I talk about, but you say no say I lie, tell. So what I do?
Yeah, me up even feel like I'm pretty girl.
You look nice, man. I like all on your hair look mess up and all them kind of something.
What's that?
Hi, miss.
Hi. What dear? Don't come here.
Me can come right as well. Come here, make them see you. Nice, pretty looking lady.
So she look better than me today. If you are here, even come obediently. Everybody else is here? No.
I don't know, I just film me, I play with the camera. Good evening, guys, afternoon, whatever time of the day.
No, I'm just saying.
May I ask you again, you have man?
Yes, I have a boyfriend.
Him always
and
say
he's quiet. Me no know, take up this. No, me not say that, but.
You give him enough problem, no, no?
No, what kind of alright? When I have a problem, what kind of problem you have?
Really and truly, no, guys, I ask her about her acting. But when the camera turns on, she gets super excited. As a matter of fact, we'll start from the very beginning. Stand up and make them say the individual. Let's give them one nice good 360. Make them see. Just take time on a nice 360.
Can I get a wow?
So yeah, anyhow, introduce yourself. Name and all of that.
Name? Introduce. What's the name?
My name is
Pam. See my friend here. Everybody look about that in a grade 1 book when I started off.
Actually, I run a show. I try control her, guys, but I can't. I don't know.
Alright, now behave obediently now.
Biba.
Sit down, cut 10. I'm ready. Ask questions.
I saw at them as something your man have to deal with.
No, when me around him.
You behave yourself, not you?
No, sometimes I chip in, he look a mad style and he say, girl.
You say yes sir, no sir.
You know, that's how I come down different that time. But when I just work with the flow and done, I know say, yeah.
You say
I got him back.
Yam for your man.
Not yam only, all ground provision.
No, but yam in it too, so.
Yeah.
Yam.
So that's the all ground provision. So if you ever do the maths, I know just one, a whole heap ahead.
Oh, a whole heap ahead.
That's in cocoa. You name it.
Anyways, we still want to know your name.
Oh, my right name, Army.
Your right name.
Well, I'm going to go to my right pretty name. Wait, boy, when people call me so, I just behave like the pretty name. But they give me the nickname.
What the name? What a woman can the problem, man?
My name is Chantal Wilson.
Chantal Wilson.
S-H-A-N-T-O-Y.
Are you from Westmoreland?
I'm from my mother. I live in Westmoreland. Well, yeah. Westmoreland. I'm come from mother. I'm actually from...
No! You come from Westmoreland. You're Westmoreland you come from.
Yeah, I'm a Westmorelandist.
Westmoreland.
Well, anyone. Westmorelandian.
She's an actor, guys. She acts with Prolong HD Films.
In the living room. The living room. Jamaican movie. So, in bracket. Yeah.
Do we look around on our history of the acting thing? Put on your foot, miss.
That's what I see, man.
Give it a little rundown at the acting
Let me
history.
buy rundown. There's no company I can't give me no big word.
As in, like, little summer where it come from when you like acting and all them good
Oh,
stuff.
something about me. Well,
Where this whole acting thing I come from?
well, the acting thing never long time because my teachers them from high school, primary school. Yes, always say, you know, say Shanta, if you do this and do that and
I'm going to tell you something. I'm not cut you. But I want to know, say, remember say you have one man, you know, so when you do all them kind of something, you see man, when you watch them, I go one.
let them them busy. Me, I love
Alright,
my
good.
man. I want my man. I don't want no other man.
Okay, alright.
Nobody else.
Good. Alright, tell me about the long time thing about acting.
Yes,
now.
so once again, I remember when I was much smaller. I'm sure that's back from.
No man, just continue.
I'm much smaller from me. Remember myself and that growing up. Me always prime, very prime. But
Where call prime? What do you call
I'm
prime?
outspoken from me and pick me and they look weird. I say me go on big and post right now. No man, me respect who respect me. As
So you did have man from high school days?
As in, if I have boy, we don't mean man. Maybe have boyfriends. My parents.
We go to school are like big man.
We call big man, man.
No, I prime thing me I think about I know.
No, when you say prime, it's like, you know, them pitney day, I'm very outspoken. My parents are not happy. Like lamp and fi know where they pick me because when they see her when
So
they
usually you don't have sex when you're there in school?
that's my business. So I love
Oh, so that a yes. That a yes.
If I want to put it like a you, me have sex.
No, me.
No, me just I have sex.
But anyhow, continue with the acting I come from.
So from me younger come up, remember myself. People ever said to me, say, girl, Biba, you see if you go.
I share
Yeah,
beat
you
on
know,
the
say
place.
you have to act because you have this mentality of this acting thing and thing. And me ever say, yeah, but me know that that's true still.
Who tell her for the acting time there, sir?
Me ever have like people, my teachers them, when me used to in a grade 6, Miss Gail, my Savannah Lamar, primary school teacher, Mrs. Gail, yes, coming to the secondary level now, you know, say,
1 second, make that shot up.
yeah, make it up one. You run away and talk.
I don't know how it go, guys. This wouldn't be a real video if we don't have something that interrupt the video. So I don't know how that goes. So primary school teacher and what? Who all them did that woman? I did female teacher them?
Well, not only woman used to tell me, not only the woman teacher, the man teacher, because as I said, me no fake my lifestyle.
So from a long time,
yes,
and I did like it, though.
Yeah, because when we used to in a grade 6 and we used to have drama.
So you don't want to no kissing scene in a movie that I love acting too much?
No, what kind of kiss? Me can't get on go to.
No.
If babes watches a feed of
So if you are playing my girlfriend, Zin, you want to tell me so I'm going to chup say no, sir. So I'm to French kiss them. So I'm to all the bedroom seeing them on the sheet and it.
No, man, me can't manage that she me stifle. Put me on the no she.
Remember, you know, people are looking at them want to care. Some people if do their acting stuff. You have a professional when you do them something.
A true man.
Some
Yeah, but me put
French
it to my
kiss and
boyfriend.
Your boyfriend, you feel like your boyfriend are going to say yes, I can kiss the next man in the movie?
And something that listen to me have to talk about this.
And if you say no,
And I just know.
I just know. Black your career, the thing where you love so much and all them kind of something.
They got me no. Yeah, made me all grown provision. Back to reality, as you
So
were
from
saying.
primary school now, which
Come
part?
straight up to come straight up to Godfrey car. Mr. God in school. I used to me also. Me never say me a bully like raging, but what me not like people bully me and demand me. And so as short as me be, me used to go and like, yes, me I one of you too. So I'm not afraid of you. So me used to go to see for grade 7 for 1 year straight until me get they ought to expel me a little bit, you know, I'm not afraid. So I went over by Godfrey store, your mother transfer me with this stuff.
Hold on, where you make the expel?
Because me used to look at war, you know.
You did in a gang?
It wasn't a gang.
You know that in a crew?
Bang bag of people, but I did.
So you did in a crew at school? Like
well,
one crew
my
on it?
friends, yes, my friends. My friend them different from me, you know, as I say. Yeah, in all friends.
But you did a bad girl, man.
You have one soft one, you have one outspoken, you have a different type of people. But
You did a bad girl, man. So anyways, me not too press upon that. You nearly get expelled because you're a bad woman. So
No.
so anyways, we are now from straight up come
And my teacher from grade 8 at Godfrey Stewart, I come up to grade 11. Because I got grade 11 years, I'm going to get an expel I got for this. Mrs. Dobson, yeah, she's my teacher. I love her so much. She always motivates me. And she even stopped calling me school name, Shantaya Biba, she called me. So yeah, I always feel well comfortable around her. She talk to me, she motivate me. Not only she, but she
do
do
acting
one.
though?
Like she ever said that fit me and things. She always say yeah, she see potential in me. Me never tell no lie.
So them did have like drama class and them kind of stuff.
Drama class used to do it, but sometimes and all the time I have the urge to do certain things. The other time I just want back out. Certain people me not too. Up to today day, me a big girl. People say it up to me friends that when I work with, like not really work with, but like when I work, the people them on the same plaza, all you say, girl, the acting thing there, like Pat of my friend, Pat of the all you say, be a girl that fit do it. Cause every day I give them some drama. Every day I make them laugh because that
Drama.
is me.
You have to do the kissing, you have to, the man have to go hold you a certain kind of way. All of them something there have to go again. You
No,
have to,
like-
let me tell you something. You see, in acting like when you communicate
You don't
certain
want
things.
kissing, eh? You want to kiss
Because
me,
of
kiss
drama.
Me. Kiss me.
Mine, you can't go in little more, you man get problem.
And I'm going to look
No, but what me I say is,
what
what me I say is, in,
yes,
like to communicate certain things in acting, you know, so.
I will do it. As in communication.
No, the talking part, but I mean like touching her, you know, you have to get close and looking at a person's eyes, certain
I can't
kind of
look at
way.
nobody I find the one. Up to me now, I forgot yesterday.
So how you
I
actor?
can't look in her eye.
So how you
You
actor?
have to blink.
So how you actor? You have to get some little training, man. Sharpen up your thing a little bit.
Maybe.
So out of the comedy or the serious thing, which one you prefer more?
Both.
No, you have to like one more.
Both.
Which one you have to like one more? Is either you like the joke more or you like the serious thing? You probably like the joke one more because you know probably not have nothing to do with no kissing or no intimate kind of thing. So
Me just don't play that part though. I contemplate about something different in our movie. So maybe because I like, well, babes, if I hear this stuff, you know, I like flirt.
how
So doing a movie as in a girl way, one boop someone, me see myself fit for this because I see no me used to do. No, when me say boop
so
something.
you know see yourself as the girl in the movie where the man I get some vagina from?
No man, me I wanna day where we take your money, promise you later, you don't see me later.
Oh. Oh. So how much longer you plan for going with this?
As long as me have the time for, because really and truly me just not gonna stick to one thing. But I always want to try different things. It's me about 2 hotel lockdown right now because me I want bartender. As me tell you earlier. So yes. But my real goal is to be honest.
Your goal?
My goal.
Yeah, try to give them too much accent and thing. Anyways,
see
continue. Your real goal is?
My real goal, nobody deep on it. My real goal is, it's not a gold digger, it's gold, square gold. My real goal is, I want to come own one daycare center. I really love babies.
So
Everybody who know me, yes, who know say, baby I'm a thing. So I want do a business when I say yeah. The business there can set me right.
So you get no baby yet?
Operate my thing. Not yet.
how soon you want to get one baby?
Why? Anytime soon. But me now look for your baby now, you see me?
Anytime
Yeah,
soon.
me I hold it like a G and just go on.
So make your boyfriend know, you know, say, you know, you want to put something
Babes,
in that
you know, so babes, we work on different things. We don't just want to have baby now and we can't maintain with baby.
So how that sounds so now? That sounds weird because you want to have daycare and we not switch too much off of the acting. You not switch much off of the acting. But me curious about it, Zin.
Viewers about
You want, you love fitness, Zin. You want to have daycare business, all them kind of something there. But when me say, yo, boyfriend knows say you want to put one in the oven is like, yeah.
Yes, because the reason why it's not gonna be film one baby and film one baby. You know, we want to say yes.
But at this time, I got breeder though.
I hear more want baby from.
Okay, good. I just that. So how you feel about the acting though? Yeah, I don't know.
Well, at first, let me be honest. Well, at first, you know, he was like, babe. You know, me not say no trust. You must know why.
Wait, so you not trust you?
Me no know.
You know what? Just focus on how him feel about the acting. Nobody tell you too much of your business.
Oh man, listen. I'm not like that.
Alright.
Anything you ask, there's an answer to everything.
Alright.
At first, he was like, "You're kind of man." And a man, you come over to a man. For sure, I can't deal with it. Yeah, and then after a while, when he started see it, now he come out and he started see it on YouTube. I remember one man, he wake up and one message come in and he say, "Because when you take the thing as serious, if you really see yourself enjoying it, because like him, I say him see the potential in me. If you do it, you see me, I look on him and say, hey, you see it now, say I don't know, man thing now, a real thing, show business we do. So, maybe now, he talked to me about it and he knows I saw me job here last year. And I just saw me see, people ask me, say, maybe I have a bad day.
Yeah, they got the ears to more.
When me have bad day, people can't know. I say, I hold my problem to myself, but...
Where in Savoy are you from though?
You asked me already.
Well, them no know.
You asked me already where I come from, I'm just a mother.
Westmoreland.
Yeah.
Bad people place.
No, if you big up my hometown, leave Russia alone.
No, so not that I way if you big up it. Bad people place.
No man, no, bad people place, a real people place.
Hold on.
Place.
And there's enough actor around that, not true?
Well, if you go in there, because people have important people.
If me go in there, brother, I'm in a pass the bridge.
Well, I'm over a bridge to come from. Suppose when they live back, suppose me go back there, you have to go over
if
a bridge.
let me tell you this, if me have no woman and I run a Russia then live, they have to come out of Russia every time I want to them.
Something say if I Russia, they don't want to come. Just you go look for this, you know. But
if they come from Russia, I don't want them. I don't want no girl from Russia.
Already? Eh?
You finished tell me how your boyfriend feel about the acting thing?
Yes, he is he's encouraging me and he's telling me, say, babes, behave obediently. Babes, if you do it in the cars, yeah, we go on, but he already had so cheap to carry with him if you do it and then we go do it.
Suppose me tell her say exactly so she behave. Like me not cut her or nothing. She say she encourage him.
Not encourage him to do it.
Yeah.
So as you all see, what again?
Acting time now, not you?
Acting time now. So I don't want to go piece. I don't want to see it. I don't know, you know. But that's why I'm being and take.
Then can't see when I go so near. You have to stare at us.
Me that's why I'm being and take you. Anybody can contribute, please.
Pretend to be my wife and you come in. Hold on, let me see how this one.
Alright, pretend. I'm never married, so I don't know.
You go act for me. You go play my wife. I'm just come in, so I gotta make sure I know some dinner there on the table and everything and something.
Is it true that I'm married? I can't play the role.
Alright, just act anything. Act something. G's and P's. Act something. So me just tell you one and you say you can't do that. So act anyone.
Act what again?
Like you just give me one and come in and now.
Oh, I just give one and come in.
Hey honey, what's up? How are you? How was your day?
Oh, I trouble fire saying I can't deal with it. So I say, but I don't even give one and come in, so I don't know if I maybe I have to catch my neck, then I give one and go in between one.
Oh, so you give one?
No, I don't give me one.
So, alright, then you pick one. You pick one simple little role and then just give one little, what I call it now? A little rundown.
I don't know if you know. You have so much in my head and none can come out right now. So me see. I'm not nervous. If I never start about
Alright, so you try boops out, man. Try boops me out, now.
Alright, come in and boops you.
Yeah, try boops me out.
I send me a boops man if you want a nice sexy one.
So which part were they? Where were they? Were they at the bar or were they anywhere or somewhere where, or?
No, you sit down on the tree I pass so me pass it on my yard.
Okay.
So me.
So I say you that your boops out man stuff real already? Just before?
No babes, don't understand nothing babes, but I don't really say me boops out man, you know.
Alright, come boops me out. Lyrics me and thing and me boops me out and thing.
I can't do it, no. I can do it. Me can't do it.
Come now, come boops. We can't keep one place.
I told me hyperactive and I be a source of sugar me feed pan. Source of sugar me yam.
She not even can look in my eye for like 10
Me can't
seconds.
look at anybody eye.
Come out do one like a staring contest. 10 seconds, I see if I can last. No, keep steady. Sit down right there, sir.
Me can't see an eye.
Sit down now. Where's that? Cooking time? Our time for go shoot more.
Suddenly come back with me come boops here. Come on. Come in.
Hold this.
Give me time. Time I say. Him not like this from head. So me just say to him say, you know.
Alright, go on. Acting time. So, yeah guys, thank you for tuning. Just like a conversation with one of the actors from Prolong HD Films. One of the things that I like though, normally or behind the camera, I just like sit down and chat to them and find out for them side of the world because as you know that say, women are crazy. In a one good way. In a one good way, entertaining way. So hope you enjoy that little conversation just now. I hope to get some more, well, I'm gonna call it now, more, you know, kind of professionally structured interviews. More fun. Although I hope you enjoy that a while ago. So yeah guys, thank you for tuning in. As I say, like a conversation with one of the actors from Prolong HD Films. When you know the two movie channel them right now, we are booming in Jamaica as it relates to YouTube. Richard Brown Films and Prolong HD Films did an interview with Richard Brown way back in the days them before. I think when him YouTube channel did there about 700 and now it got crazy. So you can go over there and check it out. I'm hoping to get an interview with him so we can probably compare and contrast with that whole interview and the one that we'll do soon. So yeah, big up on yourself. Thanks for tuning as usual. Make it this far. Leave a like on the video. Lara love you know. Look more. We're gone. We're not going with people. Hold on, hold on. So yes guys, that's Fire Us and a new cast member. I don't know Lawrence and him weird ideas. So before now, I actually get her one side. Well, before I get her one side, this is what I did. I went around, asked crew members to write a question for her on a piece of paper. So what I did was, I took a photo of her. So I took this photo, I showed it to every cast member, and I said to them, if you could ask this face one question, what would that question be? So that we do. But we are going to golf course now, and then later we follow up on that. And bear in mind, majority of the cast members are females, and I am saying this because of the questions that were asked. And I'm gonna find them interesting. Golf course, visuals, yeah. Ain't this what life is about? Meeting new people, new personalities, and doing fun things. What else do you want out of life? Oh, she's trying to get under the fence, guys. Carlanda, is this your first time? Yes.
I came prepared, just in case we get stuck.
Okay. See if one wing for me or however they do that.
I'd love to make me ambassador for this.
Okay. So, over by the golf course now. I figure more or less I'm going to go live on all these things. And here is everyone. So the questions came from these people, guys. Except that pretty one with the handbag. She wasn't here as yet. But everyone else. Yeah. Tiring and fun. Fun and tiring. Hello, pretty miss. They haven't met you as yet.
Hi guys,
Kind to introduce yourself, miss.
my name is Yannick, aka Peaches.
Peaches.
Yes,
A
from
honey did that for you?
there is honey, yeah.
Okay.
My teeth in sister, the way to eat my baby. Candy. Yes, see her up before.
Sir,
Oh.
beautiful. And what are we doing out here today?
Honestly, I don't know. Just to follow the crowd.
Okay.
Don't know if I have a part to do today, but me just come with the crowd.
So how has the experience been so far for you?
Wonderful.
You see? Yeah, me have a live. Come, you want to come? Huh? Yeah, sit here. Let me go live. So, I'm terrible with names. Remind me your name again?
Yannick.
Oh, yes, Yannick. So how has the experience been for you so far?
Shut up, Akeem.
It's been good.
Shut up, my sister. Listen, this is Yannick and this is our thiefing sister Candy. What wanna say? Bless up on yourself. You know, say me love you a long time. And you should breathe again, me thief in that pit me.
Ain't this what life is about? Meeting new people, new personalities, and doing fun things. What else do you want out of life? Yo, on a sure crocodile. Hey, fire! Crocodile down there, some youth. Hi, miss.
Hi guys.
Are you an actor as well?
No, not as it.
Not as yet.
Not
You're not playing a part yet.
No.
Oh, yeah, drink.
I'm having a Jamaica red stripe beer.
Mine are drunk, you know. See me, people. A great
Yeah.
Popeye.
Santa Claus in town.
So you see the persons that ask those questions of you? Are you seeing the people?
Me? I'm not been asking about today.
Hey, last time I talked to you.
It's not my fault.
I'm not talk to you again. People? Okay. Make sure you cover it. Okay. See my little girlfriend down here, so I don't know. Now understand how she down here chat to next man.
Calm down. Different man in our life.
Hello. It's over. Bye.
Why would you do that?
Cause you find new man.
Don't you know that I don't cheat? Black women don't cheat.
Oh, black women don't cheat.
No, we don't. Yeah. Yes, nice man.
You not seen none of my BTS them? You haven't seen any of those videos? So,
I saw you.
what me do?
Why you do it, Jack girl?
What me do?
You don't do nothing, brother.
Oh, why me break up with you?
Yeah,
Because
why did you do that?
you cheat.
Black women don't cheat. I told you already.
You want manage the live? Oh.
Just shoot the guy, keep it real. You know what I mean? A bag of things go on. Yeah, pick up to all the people them in the world, you see? Bag of things go on. You see it? Yeah, big up to all of the people there, you know. Bag of things go. Pull up, pull up.
So you go pop it. Hold on. You can't feel phone love freeze like. When I go on with people, I want to see if they settle down. Settle down. Settle down.
Money don't take you.
Come on, settle down. Why this time when I phone I can't freeze? A hole in 15. So that them say when it go in another one?
Alright.
Them normally say hole in 1. Show me 15, that's something I want never hole in a 15.
15 green.
15 who?
Green.
Green. I wish I knew that.
Alright, yo.
John Mustard, why this not
So them
freeze
have
up
other
so
something
much?
like this the over the side too?
Talbot. 80
So with their 15, so 3 more up there, so 3 more the them the up there, so.
Our family get it straight and direct. Me and Uno are family. Me and Uno sister and Uno and my brother. Me and Uno ma, Uno and my ma. The whole of we are family because we are God pick name. Big up on yourself. Bless up all the time. Coming from straight from Candy.
Go on again, show them again, show them again, show them again, show them again, show them. She can't flick, guys, she can't flick, she can't boom flick. A big people are going to them and something and say, no, say happy, then happy. Watch out. Where did you learn to do that? Where's where I learned to flick?
Country, where I grew up, Betheltown.
Betheltown?
Yeah. Country girl.
She nice, seeing you guys, look on her.
Yeah.
Boom flick.
So one next flicker that's in country.
Find it? Oh no, she can't put her foot behind her head. I can't do that for her. I best place to do it.
Make sure I find a smooth grass.
On the smooth grass? Can't do it on the smooth grass. So come now.
Some minute they come.
Okay. Should I come? What kind of trick I got? She never know said already I record. So this is the new actress, new part. Introduce yourself. Introduce yourself.
Oh my god, can you get that part out?
Why? They look nice.
Hi, hello, my name is Carlanda Gordon. Am I hearing me?
Carolina, yeah, I'm here. Very clearly.
But you can just call me Carly, if that's okay.
Where are you from?
I'm from Hartford.
You know, I have family from Hartford.
Yeah.
But anyways, now we have no time. The sun now we can. Alright, cool. So the members down there, they have some questions for you. My intention is to have you understand the kind of people they're on. Them say, this is what they said, you know. After I say, you see them question, we don't think them question say about you. And them say, oh no, them just don't follow everybody else's questions. So, like me, don't know. If you don't want to answer one question, then don't answer the question.
I can pass?
Yeah, man, I can pass.
Alright, good.
Alright. But also, you gotta tell me who you think asks what question.
Really? I don't know all of them.
Alright, cool. I will see how it
I won't be able
works.
to match personality with the questions yet.
I gotta tell you who me think though, although I know who, I gotta just try and mess with them where that is concerned. So, the first question. What is your sexual orientation?
What does that even mean?
If you're straight, gay,
I'm definitely straight.
I mean it's diverse, nothing wrong if people gay, right?
But I
know.
prefer the opposite.
Yeah, I know, but just like some people might think that question or we don't want to know about people's sexual orientation.
No, I just think everybody have a choice. Everybody's entitled to their choice. Mine is just the opposite sex.
So what do you think ask a question?
It's the first question on the paper?
The first question on the paper. You know, I really don't remember who write the first question though. But when them watch the video, I guess it will be exciting.
I think a female asked that.
You think a female asked this question?
Yes.
I don't want a female ask the second question, which is, are you a virgin?
I'm a...
Are you a virgin? I am guys. I am a virgin.
Yes, I'm a virgin.
We're all virgins here. Alright? So next question. Do you have a boyfriend? Make mom answer it for you?
Like, yes, just answer, yeah.
Yes, you have a boyfriend.
Okay.
You think question not boring anyone? And you know, I said to them, say, I think these questions say a lot about personality. But then say no, because of the first question, them just not follow through. But people ask some other question when in line, it would be like, what does not belong?
Good.
But then, me I look at them right now and they kind of uncomfortable for me. I don't know how them are treated over there, so.
Just go
Over there,
and
number
read.
4.
Okay.
Describe your type and your sex life. Me couldn't answer that question either. Like, we don't know how to answer that question.
Describe my type.
Probably the type of person you're that interested in, I guess. How nobody not ask something about acting?
Exactly. I'm like.
No, people have questions here were kind of related to acting. But anyways, describe your sex life. Describe your type and your sex
Remember, I'm a
life.
virgin, so I don't have a sex life. I'm just attracted to ambitious people.
You're going to like the last questions.
Yes, I am attracted to somebody who's ambitious. I am attracted to persons who are goal driven. And I'm actually, you know, some people them just say, I want this, I want that. And then you have the others that actually do.
Come on, Tyson. Come on, Tyson. I sweat a lot. So, alright, good. So, what number are we at?
You were asking me at my type. I like ambitious people who can
Yes,
get
sir.
things done.
Alright, good. On a scale of 1 to 10, how freaky are you?
I'm a virgin.
I don't know what this means. She's a
I don't know
virgin.
what that means.
You see how all on the question get messed up because you know I ask a sensible question. That's some weird kind of people. And between me and some weird kind of people. And people you can love but then they're seriously weird. As you notice, I'm mostly females, so you know a lot of these questions are coming from females, which kind of
is weird.
Weird.
It
yeah,
is.
weird.
Okay.
Alright. Nice. Number 6. Is acting something you want to pursue long term?
Yes. I've always been dramatic.
Alright.
Whether it be that I'm on set or I'm off. I'm expressive. And so I tend to, I don't know, it's like I'm always in character mode.
Really?
Because me just always express. Me just expressive.
I'm not nervous, guys. The time hot. Right?
You sure?
You just at the time. I have it on record now, so the time hot. My hot is not nervous, my hot. How long me have video? Sure, I don't nobody ask. Boy. Number 7, what is your favorite whatever? She's a virgin, so I don't think she has a favorite that. Alright?
Whatever, what does whatever represent in the question?
What is your favorite sex position?
Oh.
Moving on.
Moving on.
So this person asks, will you marry me? So just guess who asked that question?
You?
No. That's one how my answer sound a while ago. I'd ask this question, but
Will you marry me? I don't know who'd ask that though.
guess and then think about the answer that I give the person.
A brand?
Alright, if I hear me assume to ask the question, what would your answer be?
I'm going to be very kind and I'm going to say
No. Yeah.
nobody knows the future.
I don't think if a guy gets on his knees and say, will you marry me? And you say, honey, no one knows the future.
I think he got the answer right there.
Alright, cool.
It's a no.
I never say O'Brien, you know, we just
No,
assume,
I'm saying
yeah,
it's a no.
Where do you see yourself in
Say
5
tell me
years?
who asked.
No. Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
Graduating.
You're studying now?
Yes.
What are you studying?
I'm studying quantity surveying.
I don't know what that is.
Quantity surveying is a surveyor. Well, it's the act of surveying projects, land. It has to do with construction.
Alright, cool.
So I estimate project costs and all that.
But I try to think how that time to acting. Yeah.
I'm versatile.
Oh.
I'm very charismatic.
May I ask based on the kind of person I be? So
No, I'm versatile. I grade myself and I think that I'm talented because I have more than one talent.
alright. Not to stray too much, but could you may I try to find one character and ask if
Impersonate?
Yeah, impersonate.
I'm not good at impersonation. Let's see.
Alright.
If it's not good, you're gonna have to take it out. You have to promise that.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay.
A loyal wife. Those things are hard to find right now. So just give. Well, then I think you kind of look like that already.
I can select Tiffany Haddish or those people. I can do that.
I want to say hook about that boring.
So me say.
Okay.
I'm gonna
Ken.
go boy yard. You won't believe where the boy live. I'm sorry.
That's good. You think that good? On a grade there in the comments. So 1 to 10. So alright, this you just tell you where do you see yourself in 5 years. Describe your ambitions. I think you answered that earlier.
My ambitions?
In the you were describing your type.
That's what I mean? Or they're asking about me?
No, I was just saying, based on your answer for this question, goal-driven persons to kind of describe your ambitions. You're a go-getter kind of person? Huh?
Sometimes I'm reserved.
Mm-hmm.
My ambitions. I want to be successful. I want to be rich. I
don't have enough money then?
Me just want comfortable.
Okay.
You know? Because...
You don't want one man to do that for you though? Or you just want to do it for yourself?
This is the thing. I will accept help.
No, not help, you know. As in one man, I do it for you because you're a woman.
But the man can't dead and only lad know him all the thing assets too. Me no want be drop back in one place because me that wholly and solely depend on somebody. Someone want to have something to myself that has my name underneath it. In the event that something should happen, I'm still safe.
Good ambitions.
Yeah.
Good ambitions.
Yeah.
So, last question. I'm going to tell you who asked this question. And I still want to ask you, I still want to guess who asked. Would you have my baby? He never asked it like that. When he says, you'd have breed for me, that's how he says. But I just nice it up right also. Hold on.
I don't know who the person is, so I can't give an answer.
Just guess first. So it's definitely not O'Brien.
I'm not ready to have a baby.
But the person who asked the question wanted to ask this one first.
But isn't this unfair to me? Because I don't know who the person
Yeah, I know that is the whole point of it. It's supposed to be unfair to you.
Okay, so no, I will not marry you, and no, I cannot have your baby.
So you answer the marry me question. So nobody where you see, excluding myself, of course, me adjust the fly up on the wall or something. Nobody where you see. So nobody where you see so far. Nothing if you want baby daddy like appearance. Just
I don't
appearance.
want a baby daddy.
Just everything you want. Baby daddy, husband. Because the husband is still the baby daddy, right?
I don't know. He's the father.
Yeah. The father. So nobody physically would I say, alright, you will look good now on picture frame.
Oh my god.
Just guess. I don't think nobody heart take a break.
It's gonna be hard because as Mr. Mina judge after physical features.
No, seriously, but this unfair to you because I told the person that they would not be exposed, but I expose them if you guess one person. See? Everybody that is here, I say, listen, I show them my face on the camera and I said, you have a question for this face, write it right or so. See? You're not thinking unfair for them to ask these kind of questions of you. It's unfair, unfair. You think me about but the show must go on. So, guessing time. Who asked this question?
You know, say why I'm going to choose this person because I'm about my friend here.
The sex not exempt, you know. So it could be a female.
It's like, but I can't.
No, adopt or surrogate business or something, I don't know.
I want to adopt kids, you know? Just not with a female.
So if it's a female, but guess though.
This is crazy.
You know, I think you have one guess in your head. Alright, I tell them, where's my question? This is my question. Is acting something you want to pursue long term? That was my question.
I don't even want to call a name. I'm just saying this.
If this person is brave enough to ask this question, they should be ready for whatever answer is coming.
Okay.
I think so. And me around this show,
I'm not ready to have a baby. Not now.
Alright, so
Me think Richard asks this?
No.
Okay.
I'm sure Richard question. I'm sure Richard question.
Yeah.
But you can't. When I show you, just.
Just be blank?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Alright, hold on. Remember some people question. I'm gonna expose them.
But who asked this?
The man in the ropes.
And I really don't say that, but then we could.
Seriously? So fast you pick up that?
Richard can't
You're a good judge of character. You're a good judge of character.
Me just be smart and sorry.
So this one was from the Rasta lady, the brown Rasta lady.
Okay.
Who asked this again? The young lady that's right there, smoking.
Okay.
You got this one correct. Shh. You got this one correct.
I don't even remember what I said for that. I do remember.
Yeah. What is it? I don't know who asked this. I don't remember who asked this.
That person must be hella disappointed.
Oh, this. You can't guess who asked this? This was a female. It's connected to this. Alright, so I think that's it. Do you have any question for the entire? We give you some time to think about it. So one question for everybody.
One question for everybody?
We have to make it a little bit challenging, come on.
This is crazy. I don't think I have any questions.
Like if I were to ask everyone there one question. And what would I ask them, sir?
What?
What is the goal? What is everybody collectively? What is the goal? Because first someone asks a question like, I just randomly say, ask whatever question, they say, what is this about? And it brings that to mind and say, what is the goal? So like me coming in an environment, everyone is filming, making movies, putting out content. What do you hope to achieve from all of this would be my question.
I sort of wanted to ask that, but I'm judging and assuming that everybody would say, it would equate to everybody wanting to be successful. So I was thinking that question it's rhetorical. So that's why I didn't want to ask that. Yeah, because
but we can personalize that question. So probably that question I can be friends with.
Okay.
So everybody wants to be successful, but everybody have their own personal
aspirations.
Thing. You understand?
Mm-hmm.
So like yourself, what would that be for you?
Where do I see myself?
Like in your own world, like what would be the goal, the end thing? Like at the end of the day, where
I am now?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Well, I must learn. Either be good or bad. Nobody wants anything bad to happen.
Mm-hmm.
In the event that a bad happens, because this is life and the reality is bad things do happen, I want to learn from it. I don't just want to get upset or get mad and all of this.
So knowledge is the thing for at the end of the day.
Yeah. I must be able to learn, and I must be able to I must be able to implement what I've learned.
That's good.
Yeah.
At the end of the day, you settle with some knowledge. That's good.
Yeah, and I must be able to use it back. Like, why would I be learning something that I can't use?
So, in a sense, I think your question is, for all I know, what do you hope to achieve by doing this? Making movies, filming, all of that. At the end of the day, what the end game? When everything done, when you can't film no more, when you can't do everything you want to do now.
After the full stop.
Yeah, what comes after that? That is your question. So, how was it? It's our first day here now. So you're in a position to put her now?
Exactly. It was very...
How was it?
It was unpredictable.
How it make you feel? Alright, forward. People are it. See who you
See
who of them. So look on them. See them and them ask a question. Who are them?
Hello. I hope you're not calling me for my question.
No, you don't get exposed. Couple people get exposed, but not everybody.
Yeah.
So, I go ask everybody the same question. No, I forgot watch the video to find out the question that you ask.
How much answer? You answer?
Yeah, man, you answer.
No.
go on with people? Big up on yourself. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome if this is your first time. My name is Akin. Welcome. So, I'm in Negril. This is the golf course. Have to be constantly checking this place because snakes. In my humble opinion, snake infested area. I ran into another snake, guys, yesterday I believe, but I was without the camera, so couldn't get any clips to show you. So yeah, not too worried though about the snakes because I'm learning that snakes from Jamaica aren't poisonous. So not too worried, but still have to be checking. Yes, the last time we spoke was when I was telling you guys about Richard Brown, Fire Ras, the whole team making a movie surrounded around love. Well, the Rastaman perspective on love, what he sees love to be in the form of a movie. So yes, so from then till now it's the same thing, filming, editing, trying to get out work, entertaining work so you guys can be entertained by that. So from then until now, that is what has been happening. If you guys haven't seen that movie, Three Sisters, it's on Jamaiwood. Definitely go over there and check it out. I will put a link in the description. Definitely go over there and check it out. Big up yourself, Miss, what's your name again? Shantai Wilson, Bieber, a thiefing sister. Big up yourself. So definitely go over there and check out that video. Well, that movie. What we're doing in this video is we're going to get some behind the scenes, different kind of behind the scenes in this time around, guys, because we're going to try and catch the candid ones. So the little mistakes, the little probably disagreements, nothing outrageous that does not belong on the internet, but you know, human side of people that can always be forgiven. So yes, we're going to get some candid behind the scenes, but before we do that, we're going to speak to Honey's mommy. You don't know who is Honey's mommy? Monique. Monique, can you?
Yannick.
You haven't seen that movie? Where is Honey? Definitely, I'm going to put a link. Richard Brown's channel. Definitely go over there and check out that movie. Where is Honey? It's amazing. That's all I can say. Definitely go over there and check it out. So in relation to that movie, I spoke to her mother, Honey's mom. So found out how she met Curious, how she met Richard Brown, got into making movies, Jamaican movies and all of that. So caught up with her, did a little video. I'm going to share it with you guys, and then we jump right into the candid behind the scenes. So yep, and if you're not subscribed, please click that subscribe button. Thank you very much, and leave a like on the video. So yep, we're going to see Honey's mommy. But before that, get some visuals, see Honey's mommy, and then we get into the BTS. So yep, visuals.
Guys, you know, I'm bag of things go on. Let's try to get that thing done because it's launching next channel now, Jamaiwood, you see. So a bag of things, so we have enough work for this. Man, you know, not yet, man. A bag of things go on.
We're talking to beautiful people again. I know it's been a while, but we kind of short our resources. That's why I'm not upload as often. One camera we're down to, so yeah. But fortunately, now make that get another way. Miss Monique.
Yannick.
Monique, can you?
Yannick.
It's a good thing, sir. No? It's a good thing, sir. Yeah, tell a little bit about yourself, Miss Yannick. From?
Originally from Manchester. I grew up in Betheltown and I'm now living in Negril. Well, I know Fire from a long time. Used to buy a movie from him, and a couple years ago he asked me if I want to come in a movie, and I said no. So, because I never know when I'm there, and I did kind of afraid. Running at him a couple months ago, and he asked me again, and I said yes, but I never come nowhere. So last month no, in February, I'm on YouTube, I watched the video them, and I say them look good, content and everything good. So I say, no, so I go call up Fire. I never have his number, so I link Popeye. And then, you know, Popeye give me his number, I call him, and that's that. So,
Alright, get it afraid. We understand. You're a woman, them not treat the woman them right, you did have a right to be afraid. So, acting. Was it always a passion, something you always want to do?
Kind of.
So you get support?
Yeah.
Family
From my family and my friends.
What them say?
Even today, me dey home and my cousin text me, and I say, yo fam, you know, so I'm going to one bar and see them and watch some Jamaican movie, and then me glimpse you, and me I tell them say, yo, my family that you know, and them I say, no, so I lie. So I'm show them my mother picture and then me, so family wise, yeah, me get the support, friend love me same way. Yeah, me feel nice because when I'm there serve and me and my mask and my eyeglass and this guy said to me, say, yo mama, I love your movie them, you know. So yeah, me kind of feel good about it. Definitely. It's a good look. Yeah, me like, so when I watch my movie them, me just feel proud of myself. You know, me know say there's room for growth. So once I'm there on Fire and the rest of the team, yeah, I elevate myself. So that's that.
Miss Annie, if you have to sing Larry out, because she was nice, you have to sing Larry out and put her alone. Yeah. Yes, so hold on, let me clean off his lens. So yeah guys, that's Honey's mommy, or the young lady that played Honey's mom. The environment looks different, yes, because hours passed since I left you guys to watch that video. It was raining. I went into Negril Town to get some shirts, plain white shirts, because that's the only thing I really wear. So first behind the scenes is happening over here, so we are going to sneak in, take a peek and see what's happening. So let's do that.
Well, see the account number here, 604-143160. Please remember, every mickle make a muckle.
Alright, thank you very much, Rudy. And again, if anyone knows the whereabouts of Mr. Chubby, we're appealing to you to come and assist your baby mama. She needs your help. I'm not done.
Okay, I am Christian.
I'm done.
Remember I said Chubby no know say she pregnant, you know. You remember?
You know now?
Yeah, no man know, yeah.
Alright. And again, thank you for tuning into Jamaican TV. I am your host, Tracy and Blair. Have a blessed evening.
You know, say wait a moment, let's listen to. You know, I'm on TV, alright. You said you want it.
MP, when we beg one.
You don't take him mic and say no I'm walking on TV.
Yeah, thank you mommy for coming interview me, no I'm walking on TV.
And the MP beg $1,000. I know me can't sit at home.
No, let the MP alone. I know she walk on TV and then.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for tuning into Jamaican TV. I am your host.
Wait, man, I have something to say. Well, thanks me for coming on TV in a long time. I come up here now. Hi, Jamaica.
Up here, you know, we walk up on TV. Yeah, that day, as she come to you.
Yeah, that day. Just say no long
you want to come on TV?
You have to start all over?
No, just the last one. I am Tracy and Blair. Make sure you
I
say
am
first.
Tracy and grab the mic. I am Tracy and Blair. So, wait a minute. I am Tracy and Blair. No, you have to look like you're Johnny Mike.
Wait again. Action.
I am Tracy and Blair.
Well, thanks for interviewing me. You know, long more come on TV.
Thank you very much, Rudy. I'm the hostess. I'm your hostess with the mostess. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Must profile.
Alright, ready.
Profile.
I think no. Alright, no, Popeye, come here. Popeye, come
So she
here.
them from up in a line though.
The next scene I know Popeye will come with.
Oh, we for do one part with you in the interview.
Ready to audio some?
No,
Not yet.
So subconscious
We have 2 more shots with the video. We have to hurry up, you know.
Which way they look like though?
We have 2 more shots with the We have to run go up so where bad road there and make a talk about the bad road. And she talk about you. I want to talk about you very bad too.
Hello, Miss Newscaster.
The hostess with the mostess.
Alright. Papa, you ready?
That's what I see them, no man.
That's what I see them. Oh,
That's
look what in there. That's what I see them now. Alright.
We're coming to quarter food.
Sir, do I have to walk with the mic?
No, just hold it for me.
Can you go to your
Yeah, but we don't need it.
So, Mr. Brown, quick, because I'm catching you behind the scenes late. So tell me what did I go in another room now?
Oh, you don't know we have to depict anything we showcase sufferation, so this is a part of it where homeless, well, don't say homeless, well, I don't know what you want to
A
call it.
person who's in need then.
Yeah, somebody who is in need
Or facing
and
financial
see a look help from the government, so we just use like our TV station to depict that, you see me? Yeah.
So give me one little in as to what the entire movie about. I'm not asking much, just one little bit as to.
Just a showcase all form of sufferation in Jamaica. You know what I say in terms of to showcase say, oh, we know a war here. You see me? Yeah. I said the movie name curious? War here, yeah.
And comedic fashion, right?
No man, serious.
Serious?
Serious something.
Right.
Ready now?
But you don't know Jamaicans ever take anything
You coming?
Papa, I just get your comedian.
Alright, so you heard Mr. Brown, you saw the environment. We didn't get much, but we have a little bit of idea as to what the movie is talking about. So it's placing some emphasis on poverty. But beside the point, you guys should definitely subscribe, and I'm saying this about the millionth time now. Go over there, check out Richard Brown channel, subscribe to all the stuff, and Jamwood as well. But did you guys realize the amount of persons that are in the room? That's teamwork right there, guys, and it's amazing. That's all I can say. It's amazing. So we're going to go back, see if we can get somewhere behind the scenes, and yeah, as I said, get to behind the scenes, see what going on at the place. So, I don't know my love woman, guys. I'm going to take one next one of them. See her here. She going to tell you a little bit about what going on in this. I'll do over here from Mr. Brown. She going to tell you a little bit about what going on. What did I do in this hour? Like I miss. First, what is your name?
I am Everly.
And Everly, you're an actress?
I am one of their actresses, yes.
So how long have you been a part of this?
Not very long. I cannot put my finger. I cannot tell you how long, but not very long.
So Mr. Brown tell us poverty and all of that are going in that scene a while ago. But you tell me a little bit about it. What was happening with you?
Alright, so what I was doing in brief, I was interviewing the young lady in regards to her situation and her financial constraints, hoping that Jamaica would tend an ear to her situation and provide her with some assistance. So it's about poverty, and it's about what we face as a people on a day-to-day basis.
Rastafari. So, don't ask me, I don't know if she's single, I don't know if she have a man, I don't know nothing about that. But when I hear what she's doing this, so I could go in again and get some more behind the scenes. Thank you, Miss Everly.
You're most welcome.
Only 2 mango reply to myself.
I give one nice me and they feel okay by yourself. So I can't give me bigger one.
That's why you have a big belly so say you look too much big things.
No, can't laugh,
no, can't laugh. Come on.
Can't laugh. Alright, just put that strap on, no problem. Alright, where got you closing? Can we have a close the scene? Where close the scene?
Come give me mango.
Alright, Popeye. Give her back your mango and then wish her all the best and then left her. Ain't her. And action.
Yeah, alright. Now we're so I wish you all the best and somebody else must have come help with MTL, isn't it?
Why you mean to look on the mango?
Jesus Christ, Chang. The man came and hold box of food come here and tell the man say mean. Wait, thank the man for carry come here. Slum back now. Slum back. I mean, no way, man. Come not come box and walk with you. Don't buy the mango yet.
I don't know, alright.
Give back the mango. Give back the mango.
Buy the mango already.
No, give him back.
Give me big one, but cover it. I don't buy this.
Papa, give me big one, brother.
No, we said come.
Chang, get. Yeah, me tell you, yeah, man, ready, action.
Alright, now we see again, and somebody else must have come and help you soon. You know?
Now make you stay so. Make you give me the class mango with your bag, and after me, I get them back.
$10 with the one mango you get.
No, Papa, I'm not do it back over. You just give girl food and tap over your box.
You're ready for YouTube, dog.
Come back again, man. Sure. Alright, give back your mango, Chang.
He don't bite here, so just catch it for
you. Need 2 shots. Give back your mango.
Papa, I don't touch it for me feel.
No.
Give me big one.
Just put in your hand and make him stretch again.
Just me big one.
No, just make him pretend like in here. Me tell you. And you start. And hold on. And action.
Alright, yeah. You see again, somebody must help you.
So you tell me say you carry 2 mango come and look at me and give me the class one.
You should have seen that you get mango and goods.
Thanks for you good. Remember, I don't have no stove and no toilet.
Somebody with your one.
Alright, check me back.
So I come on disgusting beggar.
Oh my god, she sounds so ghetto.
Alright, good. Curious will come next, right?
Yeah,
right
Call Curious.
Let's go, Papa. Should I give me big mango?
So, Mr. Brown,
No, God, no.
why you tell me, Zane, because me want to learn, what are some of the difficulties you face when you film like this? Is noise a problem? Tell me.
I really face no difficulty because I kind of get used to the whole environment and the whole shooting aspect of movie and all. So, I 1, 2, 3, man. I think the most difficult part sometimes I just say nice. I live at Jamaica and Jamaica nice is bad, you know, man. When somebody play music or somebody chat, a bike a pass. So I think that's the only difficulty.
Alright, but most importantly, you enjoy yourself, right?
As always.
Wonderful.
Call Curious! That Chang look like incomfortable. We have to make a movie in Chang.
What are young boy with the kimo bro?
Eh?
What are young boy with the kimo bro here?
Where's the taking up with the belly? That's you?
Yeah, young boy them.
Hey, that Chang. What are young boy will take you up with the belly around with you?
Oh gosh, man.
Ready? Are you coming? Popeye! Popeye! Popeye!
Don't you remember this thing?
Yeah, see you man primary.
I'm just going to check out. You know what I mean? As I walk on.
You cannot come here.
I'm going to carry the newspaper. Move it to the scene.
Oh, you carry newspaper come
I'm news. I'm going to carry the news team. I'm going to carry everybody.
So, Papa, I don't give me no money.
You not get no money yet?
No.
Alright, later I'm going to get money.
No, at least you have to at least take me and say new scene.
First he has a slipper.
High five. Ready?
Alright, so I'm just going to picture in a scene now. I'm going to make you walk in. Alright, so Curious, I'm just going to picture say first 2 sentences and walk in. Hold on.
Then you walk in?
Yeah, then I'm going closer.
You can actually sit up, you know, because I see him there.
Sit down, no chance.
Sit down up and take over this side.
I want a lazy pregnant man. Sit down.
She's pregnant, leave her alone.
Sit down.
Sit down, no chance.
Let's pass there.
Oh, you want 2 tacos as well?
No, I can't show because I know me I can't let it come. I tell you, never link.
So I see him close. Papa, you want to. All I have got me, I see him there.
I see him close there,
yes, it's I want close, Chang.
No, but that's why I say she to cover him. I want to cover him.
She never cover it close.
Let me tell you.
But the door just show up slightly, it's not alright.
Yes, I mean I say, but no.
Good, yeah.
I don't want to make over.
No. You wore 2. I saw the 2. I don't know what happened.
Just 2 in the movie.
Probably under the box. Nope,
Under the box.
So for your Ross, one question. After this scene. After this scene. What do we do after this? Are we doing any other scenes apart from this one?
No, done here now.
Okay. So guys, as you would have heard, Curious himself, Fire us, them a finish up. That's the last scene. Bike nice. As you would hear Mr. Brown say as well, Jamaica this and nice. So nice always there somewhere cause some kind of distraction or disturbance or whatnot. But you know, I don't have to work with the thing. So yes, as you would hear Curious, Fire us, them a finish up. That's the last scene. So we talk to Mr. Brown, we talk to one of the actress. what's her name again? Everly. So she basically said the same thing that Mr. Brown said, and again, make sure. I think I'm telling them to subscribe to Richard Brown more than how I'm telling them to subscribe to this channel. So yeah, remember to subscribe to this channel, leave a like on the video, and you know, definitely stay tuned for more of this. And of course, we do other videos where we go out and interview business places, you know, find out where the business is coming from, how the individual started the business from ground up. So yes, definitely subscribe and stay tuned for that. Not going to give it away, but we might go to Lunacy Inn and interview that retired, what's her occupation again? Physician, retired physician. So definitely stay tuned. I might get an interview there. Subscribe. Papa, behave yourself. The whole world watch you. So back in the editing room.